LA has always been known for. But a change is taking place, and it's becoming known for. But it still has some. I'm Z, the host of the Art of Manufacturing podcast. Today we're checking out Maker Walk in downtown LA. It's a new kind of art walk for creatives and fabricators, designers, manufacturers, and entrepreneurs. We're going to visit a company that uses live wasps and bees to manufacture high-powered lighting. We're going to visit the largest organic distillery in the world. This is the best gin and tonic I've ever had. Can I have more? And meet some engineers that want to shoot your family down a tube at 700 miles an hour. This is Make It in LA. At Maker Walks, factories and businesses open their doors so we can see how things are made behind the scenes. So let's get ready for the next stop. We're in front of Hive, a startup that's mastered apiology to make lighting products with bees and wasps. And I'm a little bit nervous because I'm allergic to bees. I got this thing, I don't exactly know what it is, but I think it's supposed to calm the bees down. I think I'm ready, so let's go inside. Hey John, it's nice to be here. Before we start, I'm totally allergic to bees, so I just want to make sure I know where the bees are.
We don't have the name of our lights are wasp and bees. We don't have insects here.
You sure? There's no bees here. Like I'm totally allergic.
There are no bees here.
I guess maybe I could just wear this at Burning Man or something. Don't let me forget this. Tell us a little bit about what this company's about.
Sure. So Hive Lighting makes energy-efficient, high-performance lighting specifically for the entertainment industries. So our newest product, the Wasp 100C, is made almost entirely here in California, primarily in Los Angeles.
Awesome. Can we see how it's assembled?
Absolutely. Right. So we're here at one of our assembly stations, and Sam is putting the final touches on one of our Wasp 100Cs, while Hannah builds one of our accessories. Originally, we 3D printed the Wasp 100C when we were making our prototypes, but now we get a series of different components in, which we assemble here in our downtown LA shop to create the light you see there. What's great about the Wasp 100C is it has a very small form factor, uses incredibly low power, but also has full color control, allowing you to create a wide variety of different saturated colors.
So cool. Hive has been nominated for an Academy Award for their groundbreaking plasma technology. It was great to see how it's all coming together. Thanks for having me. That was really great.
Thanks for coming to Hive Lighting.
What's that sound? Oh, crap. Most people don't know that LA is the largest manufacturing center in the country. For every job in film and television, there's 4 in manufacturing. For every job in film and television, there's 4 in manufacturing.
So you're about to go on a tour of the Advanced Prototyping Center. You're actually going to see a product go from concept, prototype, production, all the way to customization.
Greenbar Distillery, the largest organic spirits company in the world, and the first in City of Los Angeles. I don't usually start before noon, but maybe I'll make an exception. So we're here with Liddy Matthew and Malcolm Khosrovian at the Greenbar Distillery, and so excited to see you, and thanks so much for having us.
Oh, welcome.
So how does LA influence what you're doing here?
What we take inspiration from is the foods of LA, because we have so many cultures that live here with so many cool ingredients.
So it must be a great place to be making it.
Yes, it is, because it is an agricultural breadbasket. So all the fresh stuff that we use is within about 100 miles of the distillery.
So how do you fine-tune the different flavors in the spirits?
We have one of the most advanced stills in the world. It's a continuous, infinitely fractionating column still.
Okay.
which allows us to find and capture any flavor that we fermented, which is different from any machine that most distilleries use in the country.
Cool. But enough of the small talk. Let's drink. Mel Khan gets busy making us gin and tonics. Because their Bright City gin is so flavorful, he recommends using just 1 part gin to every 3 parts of tonic. Cheers! It is really good.
Tony, it is great.
This is the best gin and tonic I've ever had. It really, no, and I'm not saying that. Like, really, I don't usually drink gin and tonics. This is really good. Can I have a double?
Keep going. There's more.
Yeah, right?
All right, no time for naps. There's a lot more to see at Maker Walk. We're at Oblong Technologies, and you know the gestural interface in Minority Report? These guys invented it. So next stop, we're gonna see Hyperloop One, which is trying to change the face of transportation. They're super secretive about what they do, so I'm really excited that we have a chance to do a tour here. We're gonna be meeting with the Senior VP of Systems Engineering, Anita Sengupta. Let's check it out. Awesome to be here. Where are we? What do we see around us?
So right now we are in the world headquarters for Hyperloop One in downtown Los Angeles, and this is the center of innovation where we hope to create the transportation of the future.
Why is Hyperloop in LA?
So LA is unique because we have access to a whole pool of very talented people. There's aerospace in LA, both from the spacecraft side of things as well as from the more traditional aeronautical side of things, who have backgrounds in engineering, science, and creative things. And so we're able to get that group of people together to create an amazing product.
Awesome. And what does the system look like?
So the system, I think you could look at it in 2 ways. One is the tube structure. So the tube structure is essentially the space which creates the vacuum, which allows you to eliminate aerodynamic drag and go really fast. The second portion is the pod, and so the pod is the part of the system which contains the people. It also contains the propulsion system and the magnetic levitation system.
Well, it's been really awesome to meet you. Thank you so much for having us here for this tour.
Well, thank you for coming and enjoy the tour.
So we're right on the banks of the LA River at La La Land, and who knew they make luxury shoes and bags right here in downtown LA. What an amazing day. We saw so much. We're gonna cap it off with a cocktail and some food at the Maker Walk closing party. What was the coolest thing you saw today?
The fractionating column of the distillery for Greenbar.
Today was definitely seeing the Advanced Prototyping Center.
I love touring the factory, La La Land.
I really like Hyperloop.
Hive.
Did you see the bees and wasps?
Yes, I did. Bees, wasps, hornets.
So that's what manufacturing in downtown LA is all about. There's this exciting convergence happening between culture and new manufacturing technologies, new retail models, and entrepreneurship. And Make It in LA is helping connect the community and helping founders and entrepreneurs make their stuff here in Los Angeles. If you want to join the tribe, go to makeitinla.org/connect. This is Z Holly. Remember, don't just make it, make it.